Hey everyone, set out all your cars. Today we've got this 2016 66 registered Seat Leon. This one is a 1.8Tsi DSG. It is the FR Tech. It's done 70,000 miles. It's finished in Nevada white with the black cloth stroke leather interior. Being a Tech, it's got the all LED lights. This one's also got the 18-inch performance alloys, which are all finished in a mid-grey. They're all marked and they've all got really good tyres. It's got the privacy glass, the bright roof rails. Drives without fault. It's got the 7-speed gearbox that performs really well with the paddles. Got your rear parking sensors. Got 6 or 7 services on it. The reg number is there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. Yeah, really lovely car. And as I say, it does drive without fault. Will come with an MOT. Recently been serviced at the Seat dealer. Other than the odd little stone chip here and there, you will be very hard pushed to fault this car. We'll show you inside. As I mentioned, it's got the black, I think it's called techie cloth, not tacky, techie. Got a large boot area with your load cover and 60/40 split folding seats. It's all very clean and tidy and no funny smells or anything like that. Spare wheel kit. There is room, as you can see, for a spare wheel if you wanted to get one, but they don't come from the factory with them. But all good there. Rear seats are immaculate. So you've got cloth, bit of leather and then more cloth with your Isofix and your armrest. Rear electric as a standard. In the front, got the 3-spoke flat bottom steering wheel. The same interior, which is all in great shape. Electric heated folding mirrors. Auto lights and wipers, cruise control, paddle shift. We've got a mileage of 75,828 and I will just start the car so you can see there's no warnings or anything nasty. There you have it. All starts without fault, no chain rattle. Timing chain on these. And if they've not been maintained, they can sometimes rattle, but as this one's got great history, you've witnessed there is no chain rattle. Got the media centre in the middle with Bluetooth audio, auxiliary, SD card and CD. Got DAB radio, I do believe. Yeah. DAB and standard AM FM. Your Bluetooth telephone. Your navigation, and then all your usual car features and whatnot. Oh, it's got full link as well. Oh, you need to get a key for full link, but it's pre-installed, so you just need the activation key if you wanted to use the apps on it. But it is kind of installed. There you go. A little bit further down, we've got your dual climate control. Aircon's icy cold. You've got your driver modes. And just there you've got your USB and auxiliary input. Gear shifter's very clean and tidy. So is all the switch gear in the centre console. As I say, the seats are all in really nice condition. Got your handbooks and your navigation media in the glove box, as well as your, well, it's called Seat Easy Connect, same as the Audi media interface. And that is about it. Great car. ULEZ compliant as well, being petrol. So if you live in the city, in London or something, this could be ideal for you, being automatic. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. If you do need finance, we work with a number of lenders and brokers to try and get you a great deal. Why not give us a try? Thanks for watching.